Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, a Google account and a compatible OS. Now start the install. Double-click the downloaded Drive for Desktop installer and allow system permissions when prompted. Once the installer runs, choose to sign in with your Google credentials so the app can link to your cloud storage. Make sure to accept any permissions for Finder or Explorer integration. These let Drive show files natively. This initial setup connects your account to the desktop app, so syncing can begin securely and efficiently. Once done signing in, you must choose how files will behave on your machine. Select Stream if you want placeholders that save disk space, or Mirror if you need local copies accessible offline. Then, choose which My Drive folders to sync. Narrow selection speeds sync and saves bandwidth. Make sure to check network and proxy settings in Preferences if you're on a corporate network, because incorrect settings can block sync. Finish by configuring whether the app starts at login, so syncing runs automatically whenever you sign in. You're nearly done. Verify the Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar. Its status indicator shows sync progress. Open Finder or Explorer to confirm files appear as expected. Streamed items show a cloud icon, mirrored files appear as local. Test by creating a file on desktop and confirming it uploads to My Drive. If syncing stalls, sign out and back into the app, confirm you have sufficient Google storage, and restart the Drive process. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.